Okay, when you are cleaning floors, mops make all the difference, believe it or not. Okay, I know my old-fashioned mother used to use those little rectangular sponge mops, and you thought it was the best thing going. You know, you just take the lever and squish it out, but those wore out so quickly. So today, you know the mops that they use on boats, like the deckhand mops? Those I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole because you gotta bring it out with your hands, or you need an industrial-sized bucket. Yeah, not good. So now the best kind, you can just twist it from the handle, and it wrings out. You don't even have to touch the mop head. I've tried just about every kind on the market: Smart Mop, Twister, Weedman, and there's probably a couple more generic kinds. Weedman is good, and they make a couple different kinds. One with like a sham, and the other with like with the you know, old like deckhand mop head. I like the shams the best. They wring out, and you can take them off and throw them in the washing machine. And also, believe it or not, you can wring them out so good that it doesn't soak a wood floor. So that's the best part, because you don't want your wood floors too wet. So good luck. Pretty soon I'm going to, as I get better, I'm going to, you know, show you samples and you know, maybe demonstrate different kinds of mops. Who knows? Sky's the limit. Subscribe. See you soon.